Remember all the times when your trade did not work out. There could be many reasons for not working. It's just simply be the nature or probability of the day trading business. How would you conclude that this is the reason of your failing trade? As a new trader, it is hard to conclude whether the trade did not work because of the probability, or as a trader, we have jumped the gun before the pattern emerges. You would only know this when you have a fixed variables which you execute over and over and over and over again. Consistency is the product of trading your edge over and over again. As a new trader, it is extremely difficult to identify and execute the edge. The only way you can get the edge is when you have your own trade book. What is the trade book? The trade book includes all the factors and the parameters and the variables that provide you information of to the trader before the execution. It provides the indication. It provides the confirmation. It about the entry signals. It's about provide you the exit signals. It's provide you the partial signals. The most common misconception among the novice trader is that the trading, just naming the trade, is enough to have the edge, but it's simply not the case. If you really wanted to know more about this course and you wanted to know, click the link below in the description or email me and I would tell you more about this course, and I would bet you that this course will gonna change your day trading.